Hi everyone and welcome to another video of Plant Yes. Today's video is about the Dracena marginata or the red-edged dragon tree. I'm standing here between two Dracena plants. This one is quite big, and what actually happened is one of the branches fell off and was put in the ground to make another plant. But this plant is really kind of boring. It's really straightforward and it's not as exciting as this one. And this plant actually has some places where you see it's definitely cut off and branches have formed on the sides and actually became the new tops of the plant. I'm doing something today that I've never done before. So plants have something which is called apical dominance, which basically means the top, which in Latin is called apex, is dominant over the plant, which causes that there are no side branches formed, or the branches that are there will never go as long as the top. So how does apical dominance work? It's basically because of two hormones. You have auxine and cytokinin, and they work together. The auxine will make it more dominant, and if you have cytokinin, it actually will break down the dominance. I will take away the auxine by removing the top, and I think that the side branches will form automatically because the plant is like, where is my top? I need to have a new top of my plant, and I hope it will form at least 2 branches, hopefully 3, that would be great. But let's just see what happens. So what you need for this, if you want to try it at home, is of course sharp scissors. So I don't want to remove a lot, but I don't want to remove a little. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to remove. I'm just going to definitely wing it. Let's just go for this here. It's off. That felt weird. I'm going to remove some of these leaves to try to propagate this one directly in soil, which will probably take some time, but it's okay. Yeah, let's just remove some. Already have something to put it in, so I'm just going to snug it in here. I'm really excited. Okay, I have to press it down. Well, this is not that exciting. I'm going to put it there. Let's just fix that later. So now this one has a top with nothing. So I'm going to remove some of the leaves so that it has some place to form some new branches. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It will help me a lot. So thank you in advance. Currently, it's a few months later and I'm going to check the results of this plant. If you have a closer look, you see that there are 3 growing spots here, there and there. This one went very big and these 2 didn't come out as I hoped, but you see that there has been some cell growth because it got a bit bubbly there. So something did happen, but it didn't grow out as I hoped. It is logical that the plant has grown the way it did, because this part probably was already the biggest at first, so it dominated the 2 other growing spots and nothing came out of it. If this happens to your plants, what you can do is make sure that out of the other growing spots also something grows by making sure this one does not dominate the rest. Fortunately, this did not happen with my plant, but I'm still happy with what happened. Let's have a look at the big Dracena. What you see is that there have been some branches that are cut off and 2 or even 4 come out of it. If you want to make your Dracena plant grow fuller, you want to cut out the top so that new branches will form and you will have 2 branches instead of 1 stem. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to like this video by giving a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!